Romans 12:1. Therefore, brothers, by the mercies of God, I urge you to present your bodies to God as living sacrifices, holy and acceptable, which is your reasonable worship, your reasonable service. Don't be conformed to the pattern of this age, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind so that you can know the will of God. That should be our response, to offer our bodies as living sacrifices to God every day. Amen. A constant walk with God. When we're walking, I don't just take a step and hope that I get there. I have to keep taking steps. We have to be progressing towards the goal to achieve the goal. We end it. If we stop walking, if we stop moving, we don't get anywhere. That's the whole point. Offering ourselves as living sacrifices. It also says that we are to be conformed into the image of Christ. We are to be conformed into the image of Jesus. Now, it talks about us being refined as pure silver, pure gold. Again, there's that whole treasure motif, that we're that treasure and we are being refined. And sometimes, I don't mind telling you, the refining process is painful. If we know anything about refining, it's that with gold and with silver, the temperature is cranked. It is jacked way up. And all the negative stuff in the gold and in the silver gets burned off. And if you talk to a silversmith and you ask him, well, how do you know when the silver is ready? You know what he tells you? When I can see my image in it. Jesus is refining us like silver. Why? So he can see his image in us. On the one hand, it's a painful thing. On the other hand, it is a glorious thing because Jesus can see his image in us. We are created in the image of God. We were given everything in the garden. And now we're being able to be conformed into the image of Jesus.